Hi Year 1! I'm going to give you your numeracy video for this week, and before I start on your new topic, I just want to say a big well done to everybody for this week's work. You've all tried really hard. I'm just going to read one of the challenge questions that I received from Nicholas in my class. So his question was, Ms Sloan has 12 books in her hands and Ms Matharu gives her 8 more. How many do I have altogether? Now that's a lot of books, and thanks Nicholas for your question, but also thank you Ms Matharu for giving me some extra books. That's great. So see if you can work that one out. Now your focus for next week is we're going to be having a look at measuring. Now I've wrote some keywords for you on this piece of paper. So we'll start with the blue ones. So we've got longer, taller, shorter, heavier, and lighter. Now we'll be using all of these words when we are comparing 2 or more objects. So it might be a good idea for you to go around your house and have a look and compare some objects. So for example, I've got a pen and a highlighter. Now I know that my pen is longer than the highlighter and the highlighter is shorter than the pen. So you might want to have a little practice first to just get used to using the vocabulary again. And then when you're feeling more confident with the vocabulary, you can log into, or you can go onto the Lyndhurst website and get the White Rose Maths sheets up. On lesson 1, you're going to be comparing objects, so using the vocabulary. So that should be okay. And then for lesson 2 and 3, you're going to start to measure some objects. So on your sheet, there will be a picture of an object, so maybe a pen, and underneath there may be some cubes, so you can measure how long it is using cubes. And then I think it's on lesson 3, it will finally move over to using a ruler. Now the ruler will be on your sheet, so you can have a look and see how long it is using centimetres. And then on Thursday, we will start to have a look at comparing weights of different objects. So that's when the vocabulary like heavier, lighter, heaviest and lightest will come in. And you may have some scales that look a little bit like this. So on my scales, I know that the ball, that's really bad, I'm sorry. I know that the ball is heavier than the cube because it's gone whoop, like this, okay? So you'll have some scales that look a little bit like that, but better pictures, obviously. And then on Friday, there is a sheet on purple mash for you to complete. Now remember that the only sheet you need to send us is the one that's on purple mash. So I will write Year 1 Friday Maths Challenge on the top of it so you know which one it is. And send that one to us and we can give you some feedback. I hope you have fun with this one. I think it's a little bit easier than last week because last week's one was very hard. So well done for having a good go at that. Have fun and I'll see you soon. Bye.